I'm going to guide you on how to install Google Sheets into your Chrome browser or your personal laptop and make it available offline. So first of all, you have to sign in into your Google Mail using your system, either your Chromebook or your laptop. So you sign into Google Mail to your email address. When you sign in, you hover over to this Google Apps. Over Google Apps, locate Google Sheets. Now, I'm saying this for those who are using both either Chrome browser or Edge browser. I'm making use of Edge browser. So hover over to Google Sheets, look for Google Sheets. Where's Google Sheet? Yeah, this is Google Sheet. Hover over to Google Sheet. Once you are on the Google Sheet windows, come over here to this dash, go to your settings, and turn this on. It says create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs file on this device while offline. Yeah, turn this on. Turn this on. And okay. It says setting up. I like to set up offline. Setting up. Wait for it. Wait for it. Should be done in some time. Now, once it's done, we're still waiting for it. So you hover over to this dash over here. You can see these three dots. These three dots over here. Click on this three dots. When you click on this three dots, locate more tools. Locate more tools. Now, for those who are making use of Chrome browser, what you see here is cast, save, and share. So locate your cast, save, and share. You understand? But for those who are making use of Edge browser, locate your more tools. When you locate your more tools, you go over to apps. You click on install apps. Install this site as an app. You click on it. You can decide to call it, let's call it Google Sheets. Install now. So let's wait for the installation process. So it is now installed as your app, but it's not yet available offline. The Google Sheets has been installed as an app on your device and will safely run in its own windows. Launch it from the start menu, Windows taskbar, or your desktop. So you can decide to pin this on your taskbar over here, or pin it to start. I don't want to pin it to start. I don't want to create a shortcut for it. I just only want to pin it to my taskbar. You can decide to pin it to your taskbar, or you just leave it like that. So I pin it to my taskbar. So this is it. Would you like to pin? Yes. So we're waiting for the setting up to complete. Is this setting up offline? Why setting it? Yeah, thank you. Offline setup is complete. Yeah, this is what we're waiting for. So you see that your offline setup is complete now. You can make use of your Google Sheets offline. You don't need to connect an internet to it to make use of it. You don't need to connect internet to your Google Sheets to make use of it. You don't need all those things anymore. So now you have your Google Sheets inside your Chromebook or inside your personal laptop. So now that we have it inside our personal laptop, I need to show you something very, very important. Remember, I was talking about those who are making use of Chrome browsers. So I said something for those who are making use of Chrome browsers, the dots. The reason why it's not showing now is because of this app is installed as a desktop app. It's no longer an online app anymore. You understand? So it is installed as a desktop app. So what those people have to do, for those who are making use of Chrome browser, you have to hover over to, once you click the three dots over here in your Google Sheet, hover over to cast, save, and share. Under cast, save, and share, you see a drop down arrow that shows you options to install this site as an app. You understand? You click on that, install this site as an app, and then that is what you have. You now have it installed into your system. But remember, first step first, please turn on your offline mode. Put it on. Now, very, very important. Do your best to make your documents in your spreadsheet available offline by doing this. You see, available offline. You make it available offline. Yes, make all your documents available offline. So that will help you to access your documents offline. As I've made this document offline now, it means that I can access it without internet connection. And any subsequent document that I create using using Google Sheets, it will be available offline. But whenever I connect to the internet, it will automatically store to the Google Drive. Do you understand this now? So that is it for installation of Google Sheets as an app. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. I believe that you like this video and you've learned a lot. Please subscribe and follow our YouTube channel. Bye.